Gaming on the go or dealing with a home internet outage doesn't have to keep you offline. Connecting your Xbox Series S to an Xfinity Hotspot is a bit different than a standard home network because of the login portal. Today I'm showing you the exact steps to bypass the connection errors and get back to your online matches fast. So first, turn on your console and press the Xbox button on your controller. Navigate to Profile and System, select Settings, then go to General and Network Settings. From here, click on Setup Wireless Network. Your Xbox will now scan for all available signals in your immediate area. And then look for the network named Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity. Select it. Because these are public hotspots, your Xbox will attempt to connect, but will likely show a message saying additional authentication needed, or give you a DHCP error. And don't panic, this is normal. We just need to trigger the Xfinity login page. So the secret is using the Microsoft Edge browser. Go to your dashboard and open Edge. Try to navigate to any simple websites, and this should force the Xfinity sign-in portal to pop up. Enter your Xfinity ID and password. Once you see the success message, your console is officially authorized to use the hotspot data. And also, if the above methods fail, use the MAC address trick. Connect to the hotspot on your smartphone and sign in first. Then go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and copy its MAC address. On your Xbox, go to Advanced Settings. Under the Network menu, select Alternative MAC address and type in your phone's address. Your Xbox will now mimic your phone and bypass the login screen entirely. And that's how you stay in the game, even when you're relying on public Wi-Fi. If this helped, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay ahead of the tech curve. See you soon.